Hello everyone. In the past couple days, we were doing some landscaping in the front yard.
So we wanted to show the progress we did in the past 2 days.
Day 1. The first step that we did is we removed all the grass and weeds using a pickaxe and hoe.
When we started to dig, we thought it would be easy to finish faster, but it was more sturdy than we thought. This almost took 5 hours. While we were taking a break since we were exhausted, we had some visitors who came in search of bugs.
Now the fun begins. We did the design using no-dig landscaping edging. You can see all the info on the screen if you want to do this yourself. We got this from Home Depot. The link will be down in the description.
After we did the outline, my dad did a great job using the spikes provided in the package to secure the outline. And by the way, my dad is a cool man.
We did not place the weed fabric because after a long time the fabric can make the plant's roots suffer from lack of air and water. Instead, we put cardboard cut into small pieces, as you can see on the right side of your screen. This will help to decompose and not let weeds grow faster.
Then we dug holes to plant boxwood shrubs inside the landscape and filled it with garden soil.
We added Miracle-Gro and garden soil to the second side, and on the first side, we covered the soil with white rock.
On the other side, we covered the soil with slate gravel.
The white rocks and the gravel slate rocks are from Home Depot. Links will be down in the description.
We were almost finished by evening and we were pleased with our final look for the day.
Day 2.
The next day, we brought 10 stepping stones and decorative pebbles from Home Depot. First, we outlined the shape of the stepping stone on the cardboard cutout and traced it on the ground, which my dad found really easy to mark all 10 positions. The next thing we did is that we placed pebbles in between the stepping stones and sprayed them to make it much better. Even though we had done a lot of projects in our garden, this was one of the adventurous project which made all of us proud of ourselves. Please put your comments for us to improve and if you like this video.